How to convert WhatsApp account to WhatsApp business account. Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with a simple, safe, step-by-step guide that we can follow if we want to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So before we start, it's very important that we back up our chats. So on WhatsApp, open it up. Just go ahead and open it up and look out for the three dot option in the top right and select the option of settings from the given menu. And once we've done so, we can scroll down and look out for the option called chats, tap on it, and go ahead and tap on the option called chat backup and confirm it up. And you can back up your chat. Once it is done, you can download WhatsApp Business on your device. So go ahead and download it from your Play Store and open it up on your screen. You can launch the application and tap on the option called agree and continue. So we can tap on agree and continue. And again, we need to use the same number. So in this section, we can provide in our existing WhatsApp number. Once it is done, you can tap on next and verify with the OTP code. Once you do so, it will detect your backup and we can tap on the restore and wait for the chats to load up, where you can set up your business profile and you can customize your business stores. And it's that simple. You just need to go over and follow this method and you should be able to do it. Important note is you cannot be using same number on both of the application at once. So if you're using it on WhatsApp Business, it won't work on WhatsApp. Similarly, if you're using it on WhatsApp, it won't be working on WhatsApp Business. But you can just go ahead and switch back but set up resets. So in short, you can just go and follow this method and set up your profile on WhatsApp Business and you should be able to convert it very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.